Let's look at a simple trick for finding the center of a rectangular object. This comes in really handy when we're drawing in perspective, but we're just going to do it flat for now. So here I have a rectangle that I've drawn on the page, made sure that it's perfectly horizontal, perfectly vertical. It's just a regular rectangle. If I want to find the dead center of this rectangle, all I'll need to do is go from corner to corner this way and corner to corner this way. It requires no measuring. Where those two intersect, that dot there, is going to be dead center this way and dead center that way. So both vertically and horizontally. I can throw a vertical line there and a horizontal line here. Oh, missed the dot just a little bit there. If I want to verify that, I can measure. So this rectangle is, ruler's in reverse. This rectangle is 7 1/4 wide. And if I look at where the line is, it's 3 1/2 and 1/8. So 3 5/8, that's half of 7 1/4. So I know that's dead center. If I want to double verify, I can go, it's 3 5/8 there and 3 5/8 there. So that's really useful in laying things out with linear perspective because it doesn't require measuring, and it works once we move it into perspective. That center trick still works, and it's kind of contrary to our intuitions. So we'll look at that in a separate video, but I can continue dividing this if I'd like. So I've divided it essentially into 4 squares, all of which have the same proportions as this original rectangle. And I can just carry on doing that if I like, corner to corner, and then I already have a corner to corner. So this X is the dead center of this smaller rectangle. And that X is the dead center of that smaller rectangle. And you can see if I line these lines up, put a vertical, these spaces are half of what was there, right? So this is why it's called dividing. I can continue cutting this up. Like, let's do another X here. I'll just carry one of these rectangles one step further. So through this one, if I go through these 2 points, there I've divided it again. Now there's 4 smaller rectangles. And as you might imagine, oops, I can keep going. I'll just do it on this one. Right, I've got ever smaller bits. This is a really helpful thing in much more complicated perspective drawing, but for our purposes, the ability to find that center is going to be really, really helpful for our perspective drawing.